followed by Sensei Albert Yap, also a second dan under the Philippine Jiu-Jitsu, followed by Sensei Douglas Lagyo, first dan black belt, followed by Sensei Mark Pagkayan, followed by Sensei Leonard sa Bayongabong, and then followed by Senpai Dionis Biangalan. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you, and of course to all of us. This day, I would like us to practice just 3 techniques only. First, we have the EQ and Nikyo combination. We have the Koshinagi throwing, and then the last will be the Aiki Otoshi throw, Irimi, and Tenkan. We start with the front choke. Here, choking. Here, in Aikido, it was always said by Sensei Ueshiba himself, that Atini Aikido is 90% Atini. In this case, to create a distraction on the part of the opponent, we will do an Atini, just for distraction. So in this case, it's like this. You hold first this one, the hand, to avoid him withdrawing, the opponent withdrawing his hand and striking. So here, hold, and then strike, then here. Okay, this is actually EQ lock. If you want to do it down, this is EQ locking. This is still locking. Okay, you could combine actually, once the opponent is on the ground, you can combine as many locks of Aikido as you wish. Move! Move! Again, you should hold it in a relaxed position. Do not put pressure on the arms of the opponent, because it will trigger him to do a counter attack. So just slightly hold for you to control both shoulders, and then as you strike here, we use what we call up and down tapping. It is like this is like yin and yang in the Chinese philosophy. So tap down, tap up, but do that after you deliver a distraction. So here, see, then you could lock it here, you could continue locking it here, you could continue locking here. Okay? Now, we will perform the Aiki Otoshi. So here, first, here, okay? You can deliver an Atini, or you can go straightly, as long as you trap both hands. Okay?
Huwag kang magulo.
Here, this is Aiki Otoshi Irimi. Here. This is Aiki Otoshi Tenkan. So here, then if you raise the leg, do not raise it on this direction because it is very difficult to lift the whole weight of the opponent. It is like here. It is similar to this. If I want to carry this, and I am lifting on this side, very difficult. That's why you have to have balance force like that, and then it is easier. Okay? Similarly, in the case of Aiki Otoshi, once you outbalance the enemy or the opponent like that, you raise the direction of the both hands in raising the leg of the opponent is this way. Do not lift it this way. Lift it this way. Okay? So I repeat here. Here. That is iringi. In the case of Tenkan, it is stepping here. 2 steps. We always do the pivoting in Aikido. We call this Odi-Furi step. So if I will apply in this case of Aiki Otoshi, I will apply 2 steps turning. It is already called Tenkan. So here, see.